Demystifying phrasal verbs. Look into. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on a very common one. Look into. This phrasal verb is widely used in English-speaking countries, and mastering it can be a huge leap in your journey of learning English. First things first, let's discuss what look into means. Look into is a phrasal verb that means to investigate or examine something in detail. It's often used when someone wants to find out more about a particular situation or subject. For instance, let's consider the sentence, "The police are looking into the incident." In this context, look into suggests that the police are investigating the incident. Now that we know what look into means, let's explore how to use it in sentences. Remember, phrasal verbs can be tricky because they often don't make sense when translated literally. Here are a few more examples. 1. I will look into the matter and get back to you. 2. They need to look into the feasibility of this project. 3. Could you look into why the computer isn't working? In each of these examples, look into expresses the act of investigating or examining something. Notice how the object of the verb, the matter, the feasibility of the project, the computer problem, is the thing being investigated. Of course, the best way to master a new phrase is to practice using it yourself. Try to come up with a few sentences using look into. For example, you might say, "I need to look into why my car isn't starting," or, "Our team will look into the issue you reported." That wraps up our discussion of the phrasal verb, look into. As we've seen, it's a useful phrase that allows you to express the idea of investigating or examining something. Try to use look into in your daily English conversations, and before you know it, it will become a natural part of your language repertoire. I hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Remember, keep practicing and keep exploring the English language. Until next time, happy learning!